Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz and you're watching the YouTube guide. Today we're comparing iPhone 12 Pro Max to a GoPro. To be specific, we're comparing iPhone 12 Pro Max to a GoPro Hero 5 Black. Now you might be wondering why the Hero 5 Black. Trust me, this is one of the greatest GoPros out there. If you're looking for a used GoPro and you were in the market for a GoPro, I would highly recommend getting the Hero 5 Black because I've used the Hero 7 as well and both are similar. I would prefer still the 5 because of the price point. So before we start, just wanted to say that this is a YouTube channel where you learn how to be an awesome YouTuber without having to, pay a lot of bucks to get a camera or the lighting setup. By the way, the lighting setup that you're watching it right now, in fact, the whole frame that you're watching it right now is being recorded on a $80 camera with a $20 lens, $20 lighting and everything. So yeah, if you're interested in that, I'll link that below somewhere. You can just watch it if you're interested in a camera that costs less than $100. So all right, so let's just dive right into the comparison. All right, so the first off, 1080p. Now here we're going to be testing out the quality of the camera, quality of the GoPro as well, and the shakiness, the stabilization. By the way, GoPro doesn't have stabilization at 4K and iPhone does, so we're going to be comparing both at 4K as well. I'll also leave that on your screen. All right, so I haven't exactly watched the quality of both of these cameras, so you be the judge and let me know in the comment section below which one do you like the most. I would give an edge to the iPhone because it's newer, better sensor, better camera, in fact. All right, so now it's the 1080p test. So you be the judge of the quality and the audio quality direct from the GoPro and the iPhone.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. This is a sound check of GoPro Hero 5 Black. Hello, this is a sound check. 1, 2, 3. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max.
I would still give an edge to the iPhone. Sure, it has, it's a newer technology and everything is just brand new. So I'll leave the sound icon on your screen so you would know that which device the audio is coming from. All right, so now since the iPhone doesn't have 2.7K recording, I'll just straight to the 4K. I'll show you the 2.7K as well because the stabilization works on 2.7K. So if you're recording in 4K, no stabilization, I'll show you that too. So this is the 2K versus the 4K, and then I'll show you the 4K versus 4K from both of these devices. All right, so the GoPro footage is flat, so I'll have to just, tweak it a little bit to make sure that it's similar to the iPhone, and the iPhone isn't tweaked. By the way, I'll show you the tweaked as well. I'll show you the graded footage as well from both of these devices so you can know how would it look if you grade GoPro footage or an iPhone footage. All right, so, and now it's a comparison for the bokeh or the background blur that people love so much. It's just just gives it a cinematic feel. Now, in my testing, I really didn't see any background blur on the GoPro footage because it isn't exactly used for cinematic B-rolls or something like that. But on the other hand, iPhone absolutely crushes it with the background blur, the amount of background blur that you get. So you be the judge. I also went as close as I could to get anything from GoPro. I haven't seen it, but I couldn't see it on the small screen. So you be the judge. I went so close to the object just to get a little bit of a blur from the GoPro, but nothing. That was nothing. So if you're into the market for a video and you want something cheap, by the way, if you're in the market for a camera, I will link that video somewhere above below or in the description box below where I'm showing you the camera that I'm recording it right now. It's a $100 camera. You be the judge of this camera. By the way, this whole setup cost about $100, including the lens, including the body. So you be the judge of this background blur, how is the quality and everything. Of course, it's a 10 years old camera. You can't really expect anything, 4K or just ultra cinematic and stuff like that. But if you be creative with it, you can do quite a lot of damage with it. So I'm Riz. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.